What's up, guys? If your LG TV just turned as blue as a Smurf and you're freaking out, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to run through some super quick practical fixes that anyone can try right now, at home. Let's jump straight in. First thing, unplug your TV right from the wall. Sounds basic, but honestly, this one fix works more often than you'd think. Leave it unplugged for about a minute. This gives the whole system a chance to reset, clear out any weird glitches and start fresh. Plug it back in and check if that blue tint's gone. Seriously, you'd be surprised how often this does the trick. If you're still seeing blue, don't stress. Next up, check your HDMI cables. Make sure they're plugged in tight, not frayed, not dusty. If you have another HDMI cable lying around, swap it in. Also, try a different HDMI port on your TV. Sometimes it's just the slot acting up. Still blue? Okay, let's try a factory reset. I'll link a video right here that walks you through resetting your LG TV to its factory settings. Just remember, this will wipe out your current settings, so only do it if you're cool setting things up again. Now let's mess with the picture settings. Go to picture mode and scroll through the options: standard, cinema, vivid, whatever you've got. Sometimes the wrong mode can make your screen look weird, so see if one of those brings your colors back to normal. If you're still out of luck, dive into all settings, then picture, then advanced settings. Play with the reduce blue light feature or tweak the color settings a bit. You can always reset it if things get funky. Here's another trick. Run the screen self-diagnosis. Go to all settings, support, then screen self-diagnosis. It'll check if your screen itself is having issues. My TV passed, but you never know. Maybe yours will catch something. If nothing works, it might be your backlight or LEDs inside the TV. You can open it up if you're super technical. Did any of these help? Drop me a comment. Let me know how old your TV is or if you found another fix.